He's down! He's down! All right, you guys, we are here today at the old spot. We have Carlos Lastra, Luke, Kelly, myself, Rowan, Fabian, and Fetty. We're all here today for a very special video. This is Rocket League in real life Braille edition. We have 2 goals on either side. We have a giant Rocket League ball, and we have 4 drift trikes for 2-on-2 action. So what we're gonna do here is round by round. It's gonna be Kelly and Luke, Fetty and Rowan on another team. First, we're gonna go over the rules. So I need all of you guys to listen very carefully because no salt of any kind will be tolerated today from anyone. Fabi. The ball starts in the middle, okay? If you score a goal, the ball gets put back in the middle. Your hands and feet cannot be used to score a goal. Only the bike and your shoulders and drifting into the ball can be used. Oh, and head. If your hands or your feet are used 3 times, it is a goal for the other team, and we'll be looking very carefully at that. We'll call you out. The only way you can take your foot off the bike is if you need to brake, because a few of these brakes are a little faulty. There aren't really any boundaries. If it goes over the yellow bars on either side, it's automatic out. We're gonna put it back in the middle. Don't hit us camera guys, you know? Other than that, try to stay in front of the cameras, yeah. I can't really think of any other rules. Are you guys excited? Yeah. Are you ready? Let the games begin.
Do I need to put my mic on?
We're gonna have the 2 team captains mic'd up, Fetty and Kelly, and it's gonna be really, really nice. Both teams, when I say go, full send. Fabi and Carlos, you guys are acting as the impromptu referees. Your face is so dirty.
Yeah, it's from the
just
ball.
talking about
Look at your face. You look like you just came out of a volcano.
Yeah, straight up.
Wow. Kelly's team, are you ready?
Yeah, we are.
Fetty's team, are you ready? In 3, 2, 1, go! Right.
Oh wait.
Yeah, that's right. You like that? Go, Luke!
Holy. It's all right. It's all about defense right now. They're gonna expand their energy, not us. Oh. I want to use my hands. Oh, ow! Oh, it's on, mother. Oh! Ow, dude, this. Run! Go, Luke. I'm holding him, Luke.
You're on my foot.
Good, Luke. Hey, we're gonna throw it in straight this way.
Yeah, let's go! He's down, baby! I got it, Luke. I got it. Oh, I missed. Go! Woo! Yes, Luke! Luke, hit
Watch
me!
those feet, Luke!
Looks like Luke and Fetty are in a little bit of a scuffle.
Kick it out! Watch that foot, Rowan!
That's what you get! No!
Whoa! Oh!
Kamikaze! We can just kamikaze!
Go, Rowan, go!
Luke, get up. You gotta
He's
get up,
choosing
bro.
to sit down. It's his choice.
Yo, we need kicks.
Okay. All right, pause. Dude, my knee roll over the ball. I was watching you. Rowan, that was the best thing I've ever seen in my life.
I've learned pretty quickly that hitting it head on is not really the way to go.
All right, you guys, but on a serious note, that was a lot of fun, but that was really hard. So what we're doing is we're gonna continue this game. Kicks will be allowed this time. Dude, how are you? Yeah, we're gonna allow kicks. Still no hands. Are you guys ready?
Dude, is my forehead black?
He's not riding in my car. Is every team ready?
Ready.
Ready.
3, 2, 1, go!
Let's do this. Yeah, pass it back, Luke. Over here. Good, I'm gonna overlap. Go, oh! Come on, Luke. I'm falling on my feet. Luke, get back here.
Go, go, go! We got it.
Hit it. Yeah, Luke! Through ball. Oh, that was almost bad.
Hey, watch out!
That was right.
Hey! Get relax! Bro.
You do it for the game.
We thought we were gonna change up teams, but this is just entertaining, so we'll just keep with it.
3,
Gang,
2, 1, game on.
I got it. Hand!
Yo! Watch that hand, Luke!
Rowan, get him.
Watch yourself.
Yeah, Luke, go, go, go! Counter, counter! Luke, gotta stop being something. Get up, bro. He's down! He's down! Come on, Luke.
Oh my god!
No, 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 no. Let it go, let it go.
You good?
Yeah. Anything for the win.
I mean, there's not much I can
Take
do.
a run!
Yeah, Luke.
Oh! Run! No! Go, Rowan, go, go, go. Kick it forward. Woo!
This game is so much more than I ever imagined. I'm so glad we came here. Sudden death, right? Starting now.
All right.
All right, you guys, it has been a fantastic game so far with some very scary falls, some injuries, a lot of intense heart, but now it's time for sudden death. The score is 1-1. Kelly and Luke have 1 point, Fetty and Rowan have another point, and we're gonna see who takes it home today. We'll see who comes out on top. It's the hardest thing I've ever seen them do. I've never seen them more focused than this right now. Like, this is, dude, you can see the dirt on Rowan's face from here. All right, we're gonna do this. You guys ready? I hope you are.
Is this team ready?
I don't know.
We've been ready.
3, 2, 1, go!
Slow start for me.
Oh!
Keep our composure. Keep our composure. Yeah, let him head it. You're losing brain cells, buddy.
Hey, what's up? You come here often?
Sorry. Control, control. Control it. What are you?
Sorry, Gabe.
Yeah, right here, right here, right here, right here.
Stay there, Rowan.
Yeah, pass it. Oh! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go, baby! Let's go!
That was the funniest thing I've ever seen, dude. Hands down. I'm thoroughly entertained. Thank you for bringing me. It's literally the hardest I've laughed in a while.
Hey, I just want to say thanks to everyone who supported us. We won.
But everyone won today.
Oh, I've been sitting down for so long.
Not nearly as
Oh,
bad.
my legs are like shaky.
Well, if there was one thing positively that you can walk away with from this
I
game,
exercised for the first time in
exercised
5 years.
for the first time in 5 years. Yes, that, and that this video was a huge success, and that means we can come back and have a revenge match. That was a lot of fun. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see another video like this, please leave a comment below, and we will make it happen. Because I mean, everyone here, maybe apart from Fetty, had a really great time. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below. Check out everyone on Instagram. Carlos, I've never seen you laugh that hard, dude.
He was on the floor next to me.
He was on the floor
Just
in a ball.
Dude, watching Rowan from like white face and then as soon as he headbutted, everything just
I
went black,
know.
dude.
I know this isn't a skateboarding video, but we had a lot of fun, and that's what it's all about. Rowan, hey, you full sent today, man. You full
Yeah,
sent.
except for that last little bit there.
Except for that last little bit, which is okay. It happens. It happens.
I will be crying myself to sleep tonight.
I know, and I'm gonna hear about it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. We'll see you tomorrow, 10 a.m.
Now we're gonna fight.
That was way funnier than I thought it would be.
You like died.
Oh, dude, this is just like